today we're going to be blocking up some of our soil. What you doing, Bubba?
We're gonna feed it to chickens. So
What do we typically give them? Normally we give them peas and what else?
Some
Oats, yes, we give them oats.
white oat.
Boy, they do like those oats, don't they?
Yeah. There's this one, but this wanted some that feeds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Way high. Where that dude? Again, bigger. Where's the tummy? It gets a bit.
No.
Ow.
Anika about took it from you, didn't she?
Yeah. It's making her sound. Yeah. And Spot too. Yeah.
In here I've mixed in,
Yeah.
Compost. Yep, compost and what else? Top dirt, yep, which topsoil. And what else? Did we mix in sphagnum peat moss? We mixed in some of that because our soil here is way too alkaline,
Yeah.
and that just helped bring up the alkalinity of this.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to come in here and check this out, boys are kind of playing in it. It's really a good feel. So with this, the way we've made it is so that we can, it's good enough to pack up in our hand, but drops back when it lands in. So this will be good for our soil
Coming
block.
closer.
It's got little dimples on it, so whenever it is packed in and pushed out, it's going to leave a spot for us to plant our seed. I'll show you. All right, Bubba, we got to push hard.
Oh, me too.
Yep, push on it. And it packs down tight. That's the other thing is once you've packed it down, you may have to loosen it a little bit. Here, let's not push this. Because we push this and it's going to spring it out.
Okay.
So I'm going to add, I always add just thin layer and kind of smooth it out. Not necessary.
Let's go.
Unless you want a nice smooth
Unless you
bottom.
just want a nice smooth bottom on the block.
Hey, make a
I just try to make sure that it's in there packed good enough because
Hey.
I like a good block.
Hey.
Hold on, boys.
Me try.
Yeah, hold on. You ready? Here we go. Push. Super strong. All right, lift up. And there we go. We've got some nice soil blocks.
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and finish this tray up. And then we'll come back to you with what it looks like once we've finished the tray. Isn't that right, boys?
Yeah. Me too.
What are you doing, Isaac?
Oh. Doing this myself.
Are you making soil blocks?
Yeah.
Cool.
Doing that.
You and Bubby?
Yeah. And straighten.
Oh, here. Put them in this side. Put them over here. We'll make room.
Okay.
Right there.
Yes.
So close. You'll get the hang of it.
Got some. What?
You'll get the hang of it, hon. These right here
Get out of the sunlight.
are the soil blocks that we've done. And now we're going to plant. What are we planting today, boys?
Soil blocks.
What are we planting in the soil blocks?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? I like that idea. Okay.
What should see?
Do we want to plant some more basil leaf?
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Some more basil?
We already did our onions. I guess we could do another tray of
What?
onions.
I think we have enough basil and onions. I think we need tomatoes, and we'll have to go look at our seeds and see what else we got. Hey, boys. Look up on the top of the well house.
Oh, the kitty cat's up there. Silly cat.
You not see him?
Orange is up top. That silly cat. You're fine. Here are just seeds that we had saved. Some of them kind of bunched up together a little bit. And we've already checked them out to see if they're viable, and we know that they're viable. Yes, Bubba, you can have one or two or whatever.
Okay, I'm going to back out so we can see him
I guess we'll start.
up on the table, apparently.
Here, Bubba. Take that and plant it down in one of those.
Hold on, and I will help you if you need help.
And then plant this one down there.
I see that. My little climbers, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys putting them in there?
Yeah.
Here, boys. Let me get some of these out. Just grab a few and plant some. Oh, not a bunch in the hole. There you go. Just one or two.
Good job. And good job sharing.
So we may get a few more than we want in each deal, but that's okay. It's all about the learning experience here. So
I got too many in this one.
it's okay. Don't worry about it. There's only 3 in there. We'll just go into this one and then.
It's what? In the hole.
Yep. There it is. It's just not very good. It's right there. Just where Dad put it.
Nope, not that one.
Only gonna. Well, that's fine too.
Okay.
I'm not worried about it. It doesn't have to be perfect.
We were going to
This
do...
tray may be. The whole thing may be tomatoes before we're done, but that's okay.
Yep. So the boys have done a really good job. I'm going to turn this so you can see. So once you, this is what the little divots do. So you can drop your seeds down in there. And then, right there. And then we will just squeeze these together.
And I kind of think we ought to just do a half a tray of tomatoes, half a tray of lettuce. What do
And
you
then
think?
don't worry about the goji berries this
Well,
time.
not this go. We won't do the goji berries this go.
Okay.
Still a little cool for them anyways.
Emma.
Yeah, oh, there's more. Trust me, there's more, son.
A what?
Got all kinds of seeds.
This one. Wait.
Yep. Yep, put it right here. Let's go.
Put it in a hole that doesn't have a seed.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh.
1,
Yeah, that one. Just make a little video. There you go. It's got it.
Here, they're flying.
Oh, that was a rough landing. So if you guys have been following us, last year, I believe it was, I had made a video about making mistakes, and we had talked about our peach tree getting girdled. Isn't that the right word?
Yeah.
Our sheep had basically ate all the way around it. I knew goats were notorious for this, because we had an apple tree they did that with, and then our goats back when we had goats did it. But our sheep, they girdled this, and we thought, no, these trees that we've spent
It was big.
money on, and yeah, I mean, it bloomed out really nice, and it had good, its first year it ever started producing peaches, so they was pretty little, but you could tell it was going to be good quality. And then one day we was out here talking. I was kind of kicking up the dirt and looking around, and to our surprise, I got a haul here. Oh, actually, come check this out, right here. So I had found a haul like this on the ground, and lo and behold, rooted into the ground is, guess what?
A peach tree.
A little peach tree. So now I'm going to go show you what I've done with the others, what we have done with the others, and you guys will know. Come on. Okay, so what we had done is we had taken these little peach seeds that the hull had broken apart. We just kind of stuck them in some soil, patted them over. And the Lord's blessed us with all these peach trees now. So one loss has turned into an amazing gift, is what it was. We only thought it was a loss. But clearly, sometimes this just goes to show you He has bigger plans.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that are currently growing. And this one is getting really tall. So these look amazing. All right, here's another good one. Hey guys, so we are back at the greenhouse. I'm gonna go ahead and go in here. It got pretty warm in here today, so we went ahead and opened up these 2 windows. And it is currently 77% humidity and 66 degrees, so we'll go ahead and close up the windows here in a minute too. But I wanted to show you what our other soil blocks up here look like. We started these a week ago, and we've got purple basil on this side in these 3 rows, and then we have the Arkansas Travelers, and then we have 3 rows of onions. And we bring them out to the greenhouse as much as we can, but if it's going to be too cold at night, then we'll bring them in the house and put them in a grow light, put them under a grow light to give them a few extra hours of daylight. Actually, and that has helped our plants not be like tall and leggy. We read that they weren't getting enough sunlight, and so far that's proven. I mean, the tomatoes look amazing.
Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell's notification icon. Also up in the corner, there's going to be a video up there that YouTube says you'll like. You should check it out. I believe you'll like it too. Thanks again. God bless.